I try to keep a diary to let it out away from him. Maybe I should have learned your memory. Instead I let it ruin him. You see, watching the moon I feel it's painting, but cold inside, eating my soul, you shattering. I love you, boy. You almost seem so hard to hide, but promise that from now on, you're all gone. It's been a while since you and me have shared a real memory. You see, I feel the need quietly to have you here close to me. Maybe watching the moon I feel it's painting, but cold inside, eating my soul, you shattering. I love you, boy. You almost seem so hard to hide, but promise that from now on, you're all gone. All I remember, cold like December, she cries on the surface, still waiting for him to call her. But she should have noticed it was only August. The call she felt wasn't from the